Software needs several types of maintenance. It may be just a routine task since bugs are discovered by some users, or it may be a significant event. The following are types of maintenance. Corrective maintenance, to correct or fix problems discovered by users or by user error reports. Adaptive maintenance, to keep the software up to date and adapted to the ever-changing world of technology and business. Perfective maintenance, to keep the software relevant over a long time. It provides new features, new user requirements, improving reliability and performance. Preventative maintenance, to prevent future problems. It aims to resolve problems that are not significant now, but may cause severe issues in the future. TechCover software maintenance contracts from Atlas Copco include all of the above and more. Not only keeping the health and availability of your software, but also supporting the users to make the most of it through regular trainings, change management assistance, and general application support. The life cycle of your software does not start with coding and finish with the product launch. Instead, it is an ongoing life cycle that allows the software to evolve and deliver more value through development and maintenance. Technology is rapidly changing, and the software being used must be updated and maintained properly. Software maintenance contracts provided by professional software suppliers offer peace of mind, keeping you covered for compatibility issues, bugs, and other software problems. With proactive software maintenance contracts, you can gain control of your software maintenance budget. If you are covered for software issues and receive regular updates, your overall IT expenditures will be reduced to the planned yearly maintenance fee. This eliminates unexpected repair costs and, of course, production downtime costs that are caused by software issues. Our TechCover maintenance contracts include software updates. Under a maintenance contract, you will receive free updates, usually once a year, so the answer is yes. These updates often address minor issues and can improve the software's functionality, performance, compatibility, and security. TechCover Health Check is the backbone of our maintenance contracts. It is a software that runs next to your software product, monitoring in real time the health of the entire system, so the application, the database, host, and network. Thanks to this crucial piece of the puzzle, we can deliver proactive services and automatically fix minor issues directly. Our help desk analyze, troubleshoot, implement updates, provide product support, and conduct training. Health Check. The core backend provides 24/7 real-time monitoring, automatic system repair, and automatic alerting. Issue tracking. This supports in traceability of service requests, guiding incident reports and escalations to application owners. TechCover Portal. All you need in one place. A dedicated web portal for you where you can find contract overview, system health issues, request overview, available updates, training, and monthly reports.